Well, I think you're going backwards, buddy. You're going backwards, city man. What happened?
Thank you so much. What a lovely.
You want that remote so bad? Look at you go, Bubba.
No one even try to attack this castle because of the cannon. Boom! That's it. Thank you, James and Sandar. It's a very nice cannon. I mean, castle. All right, it's time to hear from.
Oh my goodness.
Are you ready? Yes.
Uh-oh.
No, we can do this.
Are you watching him?
You're gonna be great. I hope you're because there are a lot of people watching. Hey, pretend it's you in your music room.
Look, you're going backwards. Look. Look at that.
Here goes.
You're going backwards. You're okay. Trenton. What are you doing? Oh, goodness. You do your best work when you're grumpy, buddy.